Connecting homes to the electrical utility is the final stage of the electrical grid. After the distribution grid substations have stepped down the voltage to safe levels, this stage may be accomplished. Wires lead off from the neighborhood's power lines and connect to individual buildings, homes, apartments, businesses, by first going through the electric meter to measure how much electricity the home uses. The electricity then passes through a service panel, which houses the electrical safety devices, circuit breakers, or fuses. This service panel has all of the wires that run to the different electrical appliances around the house. Every home is connected to the electrical grid through some sort of fuse box or circuit breaker panel. The overhead power connection from the utility lines to the service entrance is referred to as the service drop. It has 3 wires. 1 neutral line, and 2 hot lines. The hot lines maintain a certain potential like 120 volts with respect to the neutral line. There are 2 types of overhead service drops, a masts service drop, or an underground service connection. The service connection enters the panel via the main disconnect breaker, which is utilized during emergencies or maintenance, to stop electrical power flow. This is positioned in between the service meter and the rest of the electrical panel. The main disconnect is a circuit breaker housed in the electrical panel. In order for this to work, the circuit breakers must be in series with the 2 hot lines of the conductors, because it must cut power to all circuits. It is rated to be able to interrupt the total household load. A circuit breaker is an electrical switch that cuts off electrical flow in the event of a possible short circuit or overload. This device is essential in a modern world that runs on electricity. Without a circuit breaker, you could find yourself dealing with household fires on a regular basis. While you can easily call a professional electrician, you can also learn how to wire a circuit breaker yourself with relative ease. As the title screen of this video suggests, this is the 11th installment of my DIY house circuit layout and connection series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand and manage your home's electrical system safely and efficiently. By the end of this series, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to tackle your own electrical projects and ensure that your home's electrical system is running smoothly. Future topics to be covered will include panel wiring. Learn how to properly wire your electrical panel, including identifying circuits, connecting breakers, and ensuring proper grounding. Receptacle connections. Understand the wiring and installation of duplex receptacles, GFCI receptacles for added safety, and AFCIs to protect against electrical fires. Appliance receptacles. Discover how to wire 20 amp, 30 amp, and 50 amp 240 volt appliance receptacles for various household appliances. Light switch wiring. Master the basics of wiring light switches, including single pole, 3-way, and 4-way switch configurations for controlling lighting throughout your home. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I dive deeper into each of these topics, providing step-by-step instructions, safety tips, and troubleshooting advice to help you successfully complete your DIY electrical projects. Don't miss out on future installments of my do-it-yourself house circuit layout and connection series and empower yourself to take control of your home's electrical system. Stay tuned to this site, as I will be providing more information on electrical installations. In the meantime, take advantage of the availability of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets, if you haven't already downloading them. The formulas and information there can be used for everything electrical, especially when viewing my courses. Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/47 uppercase, y, uppercase, b, 3, lowercase v, lowercase h. You can directly access my StanStore courses at this website. https://stan.store/uppercase g, uppercase v, uppercase b. This is the end of this video.